What they really wanted to do was to be together at the parsonage and to write. And that's what they did.
The sisters wrote in the evening, sitting together at the table in the small dining room. Like Jane Austen, the sisters didn't use their real names when they first published their books.
They published their novels under the names Currer Ellis and Acton Bell, hoping that they would be treated as writers rather than women writers.
Their books were instant hits, and everyone wanted to know the true identity of the authors. So Charlotte and Anne traveled to London by train to tell their publishers their real names. But tragedy was never far away. In 1848, Bramwell died, followed 3 months later by Emily, and then Anne 5 months after that. Shortly after she married, Charlotte died in 1855. But by the time she died, Charlotte was a famous writer.
She died in 1855 in this house, and 2 years after her death, a biography written by Elizabeth Gaskell was published, The Life of Charlotte Bronte, and that attracted a huge amount of interest in the Brontes' lives. People wanted to come to Haworth and see the place where the Bronte novels had been written and to see where the family had lived their lives.
There has been a small Bronte museum in Haworth since 1895. But it wasn't until 1928 that the parsonage opened to the public. Today, inside, visitors can see many of the sisters' possessions, including Charlotte's wedding dress and many of the sisters' handwritten letters and manuscripts. Experts still come to the parsonage from around the world to research the sisters and their hard work.
Every year we get 75,000 visitors on average, and they're drawn from all over the world, from America, from Japan, from places in this country. The Bronte novels have been translated into over 26 different languages. They're read by people all over the world.
For many visitors, it is exploring the dramatic countryside surrounding the parsonage that really helps them to understand the powerful novels of the remarkable Bronte sisters.